let's begin with Jad. So for you out there, thanks for tuning in. Don't worry, we will give you the market update, but we are going to tell you why Token Metrics 2.0 works really well. So first, we're going to talk about the visual trends indicator. Now, I worked initially with the team, okay, to help maybe teach the machine how to look at markets and give you signals as to when to get in and out. But the heavy lifting was done by both our quantitative and machine learning teams. So Jad, tell us the story of how the visual trends indicator came about and give us a little demo on Token Metrics 2.0.
Yes, of course. So the visual trend indicator, just like the name suggests, it's an indicator that evaluates the overall trend of a specific token. Either it's a bullish trend or a bearish trend. So it really works extremely well in trendy markets like in the recent past. And the nice thing is that we tried so many different trend following strategies using simple moving averages, exponential moving averages, adaptive moving averages, and a bunch of other technical indicators to be able to design a buy, sell, or long short strategy, and making it very easy visually for customers to track a specific coin and to understand where it is in the current trend.
All right. So what quick question. So was machine learning involved in creating the indicator? And can you just give us a flavor for, like, say, why our AI and our system of doing things may be a little bit different than what's out there?
Yes, of course. So the main use of machine learning is to improve processes in ways that require a lot of computational power. So for example, in the visual trend indicator, there's many parameters involved when evaluating moving average strategies. For example, there's a moving average window and things like that. For us, we tried to make the moving average window not a constant value of number of days, but mainly a function of volatility, so that when we have huge moves up, we don't want to trade too often. We want to let the winners run. And when there's congestions, we want to reduce as much as possible the moving averages. So our machine learning engineers came in very helpful in optimizing these processes for us. So instead of just using regular moving average strategies made or designed by humans, we are using AI and machine learning to improve them and to be more robust across different market regimes, essentially.
All right. So for traders out there, let me help summarize that. So they use artificial intelligence and machine learning, okay, to eliminate, say, false signals as much as possible, to help winners ride. Like traders like Forrest will tell you, let your winners ride and cut your losers short. Okay. So we use AI and machine learning to help us do that, so that when you look at the market, you're getting a view that, I don't know, a human being like me couldn't necessarily generate. It comes from a totally different type of machine thinking.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.